Good morning, friends. My today's topic is what are the principles governing the exercise of jurisdiction under Article 142 of Indian Constitution. We all know Article 142 empowers the Supreme Court of India to pass any decree or order necessary for doing complete justice in any case pending before it. This power is unique to the Supreme Court and ensures substantial justice, even if it requires departing from strict procedure or statutory, statutory provisions. Now I will talk about key principles governing its exercise. First one, I will talk about doctrine of complete justice. The primary purpose of Article 142 is to ensure complete justice in a case, particularly where existing laws may be insufficient or inadequate to address the issue at hand. I can give you the example of Union Carbide Corporation versus Union of India, 1989. The Honorable Court invoked Article 142 to direct a settlement in the Bhopal gas tragedy, awarding compensation to victims beyond the statutory framework. Second, we can say the principle is it is not bound by procedural limitations. Honorable Supreme Court can override procedural barriers if they hinder justice. However, it must act within the contours of constitutional propriety and not violate fundamental rights. The case law is Delhi Judicial Service Association versus State of Gujarat, 1991. In this case, Article 142 was invoked to order disciplinary action against officials involved in an attack on a judicial officer. Third principle is when there is need of enforcement of fundamental rights. This Article 142 is often used to secure the enforcement of fundamental rights, especially where statutory remedies are unavailable or inadequate. For example, in Beneath Narayan versus Union of India, 1998, Honorable Court issued guidelines to ensure transparency and accountability in CBI investigation, filling the legislative void. Now coming to fourth principle, when there are extraordinary circumstances. The use of Article 142 is reserved for extraordinary situations where statutory or procedure lies silent or inadequate. It cannot override statutory provisions arbitrarily. Example is of Saira Banu versus State of India, 2017. Honorable Supreme Court invoked its power to declare triple talaq unconstitutional while providing interim relief. Now, I will talk about case laws which demonstrate Article 142. First one is Supreme Court Bar Association versus Union of India, 1998. In this case, the court clarified that Article 142 cannot be used to override existing statutory laws arbitrarily. This decision reaffirmed the balance between judicial activism and legislative authority. Second one is of Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, 2018. In this case, Article 142 was used to strike down Section 377 of the IPC to decriminalize consensual homosexual relationships, ensuring justice for marginalized groups. So I am concluding this video. So we can say that Article 142 is a powerful tool that grants the Supreme Court the flexibility to go beyond the letter of the law and prioritize substantial justice. Its judicious use ensures the protection of constitutional values while maintaining the balance of power among the judiciary, legislature, and executive. This is all about what I want to say in this case. So, God bless you all. Thanks for sparing your time for seeing my video, and I request you to subscribe my channel.